So you press play on a Croatian video and it sounds like one long, beautiful blur. You know there are words in there, but your ear can't catch them yet. So you pause, you rewind, you try again, and still it feels like your brain just slides off the sound. If that's you, stay with me. Today, I'll show you how to train your ear so that you can start hearing Croatian and not just listening to it. Okay, first let's be clear. You're not bad at listening. Your brain just hasn't built the sound map yet. Every language has its own music. And when you start, Croatian sounds like jazz. So it's complex, unpredictable, but rhythmic and alive. So how do you learn to hear it? Here are three simple techniques. Slow the world down. Number one. So start with slower, clear input. Start with children's stories, short news clips, simple YouTube videos. When you slow the tempo, your ear can finally breathe. It has time to notice how sounds connect. Dobar dan isn't dobar dan. It's dobar dan. Okay? It becomes one wave. And your brain needs time to catch the melody before it learns the words. Number two, listen many times, but listen with purpose. The first time, just let the sound wash over you. Don't panic and don't translate. The second time, listen for rhythm, where the voice rises and where the voice falls. The third time, try to catch one or two chunks, like small units, like dobar dan. And then repeat them out loud. And every repetition sharpens your internal Croatian filter. So what used to sound like noise starts to separate into words. So repetition isn't boring. It's how sound becomes structure. And thirdly, focus on chunks, not on single words. Croatians don't speak in dictionary entries, they speak in chunks. Actually, everybody does. We all speak in chunks. So listen for patterns that you'll hear again and again. Dobar dan. Ne znam. Nema veze. Okay, so you don't need to understand every word. You just need to recognize the shape of these phrases. And once your ear knows the shapes, your brain starts predicting what comes next. And that's when listening turns into understanding. So fluency begins when your ear recognizes patterns before your mind translates them. So how to learn to hear Croatian? Slow it down, repeat often and with focus, and listen for chunks. So that's exactly what I teach in my 4-pillar method. So how grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and culture work together to train both your ear and your voice. If you want to learn how to listen in a way that builds real fluency, join my free masterclass. The link is below this video. I'll show you how to turn listening from frustration into flow and how to start hearing the beauty of Croatian one sound at a time. Vidimo se!